Hi freshmen, I just wanted to make a quick video here and walk you through the plans for week 3. First of all, look at the update for the course, and if you want to join me on Wednesdays from 2 to 4, I'll have some live office hours, so if you want to come by and ask a question or just say hi, I'd love to see you, but I'd also like to answer any questions that you're having as we go through the curious incident of the dog of the nighttime. So this is not published yet in Schoology, but it will be on Monday. Okay, I just wanted to show you how I would approach this. So you'll go to the remote learning folder and you'll see week 3. Week 3 says to take the quiz for the pages from last week. That was pages 11 through 20. Then it says to check the reading schedule for pages this week. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I'll just show you exactly what to do. You'll use that and you will see that this week's reading is pages 20 through 34, okay? And it's got the assignments here as well, but those are also on Schoology. So 20 through 34. So if I were looking at that, I'd kind of remember that and use that to help me with this week. Let's scroll here. All right, so check the reading schedule for pages this week. Just did that, so that's 20 through 34. And then you're going to complete the discussion for this week's reading and also take the quiz from last week, like I said. So here's the quiz from last week, and here's the discussion for this week when you're done reading. Email me if you have any questions, and or you can pop onto our office hours and ask me there. Hope to see you soon. Bye.